So this is what 90% of most traders feel. A lot of chaos. They're guessing, they're getting chopped to pieces, and you're watching money disappear. So what if you had a roadmap that gave you that clarity? One click, and now you have what's random into a very solid structure on what to do. Now, nothing's ever perfect, but what you can do is by adding WD GANN's square 144 indicator, the chaos just became a roadmap, and it's beautiful. You can do a couple things. You could use a trend line, right? Could. So if you had a trend line like that, if I can get this to work right, get this over here. So you could add a trend line, right? So when you get, and there's a million ways to draw trend lines, but just for an example, you get a trend line cross where you're at. You're at an awesome GAN level. Take a scalp down, and now you can see you're even in a trade now. You're not looking to go long. You're just waiting now, right? So beautiful. Now you just have to wait for your setup. You're waiting for structure to form at a GAN level. So you look at this, it's so beautiful. As price is coming down, this is not a setup. It's tipping above the GAN. That's not a setup, right? You can take a short here down from GAN to GAN. This is even more beautiful. Break, retest right out of GAN. Break, retest GAN to mid GAN. I mean, you can make a good living just trading mid GAN to mid GAN. You can throw on like a whole average or an EMA average, and you can be like, okay, as price is going up, you can kind of get rid of the drawings. So you could be like, I'm going to wait for a close. So we have, number one is price near a major, not a mid GAN, right? So say not near a main. Is price near a major, and is price near a main. Well, there you go. This is not crossed below. It has crossed below the EMA, but it has not. So there you go. You could, and that's where you kind of manage things. This is kind of a good example. Is green here, right? So you could technically go long here, and then what happens? You get stopped out, no problem. Everything is below, so you could take a short here, down to here, and everything is red. So as this is coming down, it retraces right to a main. You go short, comes down, like everything's red. There's no long shut up here. Comes down, retraces, down, retraces. So you can definitely throw on a moving average to help you, and it's going to make a big difference in your trading. So the biggest thing is give yourself structure, and I know no better way than to remove the chaos, remove some of the guessing games by adding structure to your trading. Thanks.